Hi, I'd like to show you a real AI automation system built for real estate workflows. This is a working product, not a concept or a prototype. The assistant runs inside Telegram and handles property enquiries automatically. It guides users through a structured conversation, understands intent, and extracts key details like location, budget, requirements, and even when answers are combined. All information is stored in a structured format and can be synced to spreadsheets, CRMs, or internal tools in real time. Behind the scenes, the system uses OpenAI and automation logic built with Make.com, which makes it predictable, scalable, and easy to extend. The same logic can be deployed to WhatsApp, websites, or internal tools. If you're looking for someone who builds real AI automation systems, feel free to reach out.